How to write a consultant bio, tips and samples. Trying to market your skills as a consultant? Whether you work in IT, public relations, or financial services, working as a consultant in any industry requires lots of experience and expertise. Your clients rely on you for your knowledge and experience to help them make important strategic business decisions. So, how do they know who they're hiring? Often, their first introduction to a consultant may be through a bio. So what do you include in this all-important document? Let's break down a sample consultant bio. Dynamic and collaborative with a sharp ability to solve problems, Leslie Gerard brings nearly 10 years' experience as a senior leader within the education sector. From her role as a change agent to her uncanny ability to identify risks, Leslie has been able to help institutions retain employees and save hundreds of thousands of dollars through various EEO and employee relations initiatives. Currently working as a consultant to the Office of Compliance and Diversity, Leslie provides guidance in a number of key areas, such as organizational development, succession planning, human resources, and employee relations. In this example consultant bio, we learn about Leslie's years of experience and how she helps her clients. The bio is straight to the point. You get the feeling she pulls no punches. We also learn what she has been able to do for institutions. One of Leslie's strengths lies in her ability to thrive well under high-pressure situations. Leslie also brings her heritage as a biracial female to her various roles, promoting diversity and inclusiveness. A native of Queens, New York, Leslie received her Master's of Public Administration from the City College of New York. In her free time, Leslie enjoys paying it forward by working with youth through the Big Brothers Big Sisters of New York City. In the last portion of this consultant bio, Leslie shares more about her abilities and a little personal information about herself, so we get a sense of her as a person. Here are some tips for writing a winning consultant bio. Use phrases that highlight your industry-specific expertise. Share years of experience in the field. Discuss how you've helped clients with specific tasks. And humanize it with some personal info such as family and hobbies. If you'd like help with your consultant bio, visit WeWriteBios.com for more information about our consultant bio writing services.